The All Progressive Congress APC for Egor local government don officially present membership card to Edo Agwebo, mother of APC National women leader Lady Ateru, Efe Stewart, and their followers wey follow dem decamp from the People's Democratic Party PDP back to the party. This event shele for APC local government secretariat for Egor local government area of Edo State.
Present to you as chairman of Ward 2 his membership card. From today, you are now member of APC. I present to you the acting chairman Ward 9 membership card for Honorable Efe Stewart as a member of APC Egor. Mr. Chairman, I present to you a membership card for Eunice Obaseki.
APC Egor local government chairman Emmanuel Iyase talk say dey happy say these people don't return back to the party as them don't see say Obaseki government na scam, and say them believe say APC for Edo go produce the next governor for the state sake of say the people eye don't open and then for PDP no go fit deceive the people again, and say with the number of people wey don't decamp back to the party, victory for Edo 2024 election they sure.
Congratulated God that everybody has returned back to the party. So thank you very much. We are appreciative of that. Here we are. Honorable Edo Agwebo is here. Is my leader. Honorable Efe Stewart is here. Is my leader. Honorable Eis is here with us. I'm his leader. And host of others. So I believe today, under my leadership as LGA chairman, instead of now we are not in a ruling party, people will be getting angry to leave. But rather, people are not coming to the party. That made it possible. Because some other persons believe that the party was dead. Take it or leave it. I can mention names of those that even put a call across to me. Yeah. The leader Okuta, who are a patient, but today we are happy that in my berry, in my manly Lobaseki, I bet him my berry, because we're that. But I give the way they can anywhere. Oh, Mohammed Dokba, or say Dokba Egbokia is a matter of principle. It is not for words, it is not quest for powers. Is a matter of principle. Obaseki edema, I will lead us and I win. Or not your Obaseki Guinea, and I will go away. So, my leaders, leaders are my brothers, the party at the state level have officially received you into the party.
Gentleman Amengo talk say Belenon Sweden when these people come out from the party as na them be their field marshal before, and say he happy to see say them don't return back home, and say with the coming back of these people the party APC for Edo State go achieve better results for elections.
These were our boys. They were our boys. They were our field marshals. Some of us wept when they left us. But we are grateful today. They are back home. They are back to the home that they have built. Time there was in this party, Egor local government, in any election, we are scoring 97, 98%. And then Oshomole changed his own local government to come and be a member of Egor local government because we were together. Like he said, one big family. Later, Agbogun was our chairman. He wasn't ready to argue with leadership. He was ready to go with us wherever we went. I salute Agbogun wherever he is today. He was a very great chairman. So I want to beg of all of you, like Egor Agwebo has said, I want to openly congratulate you. You are rebuilding your father's house. I'm living in my father's house. Come and live in your father's house too. Agbogun will not argue with anybody. He was the one following Agbogun, carrying his briefcase, Joshua. That's why he grew up very well in politics. So I want to beg of all of you, please, the time for lies, the time for factionalization is gone. We will not achieve anything with lies. Factionalization, we will not achieve anything. We want integrity in everything you do. We want dignity. We want honor. Yes, there are aspirants here and there. Yes. They want to run for governorship. Yes. You have a right. They can meet you in your house. Don't organize a group for them, because you might be told by the leadership of the party that we are not going right, we are going left. By which time you'll be left alone. So I want to beg of all of you, always listen to your chairman, because we brief him. Always listen to your chairman.
Honorable Crosby Eribo Contact say nobody come out from the party as in they always talk before, say them only step aside, and say he himself suffer under Obaseki as Obaseki no gree swear them in for 4 years as member of Edo State House of Assembly. But even with all that, he always dey proud to be APC member.
I want to thank everybody for coming. You did not leave. You only stepped aside. And nobody can blame anybody for stepping aside. I'm a victim of the same Obaseki saga. For 4 years, me and my colleagues were not sworn in. But we did not go to government house to go and beg. We stood by discipline and integrity. Today, we are honored. We are honored. If you go to Abuja, they call us the Edo 14. And I'm proud to be part of the Edo 14. It's just unfortunate. Our national leader meant well. The same thing is happening in Rivers. When you mean well and you want to help somebody achieve his aims, and they change. It's unfortunate. So I don't want to say you left, you stepped aside. You have tasted his type of governance and you have seen it. In APC, there is nothing like ordinary. No. If you come today, if you came yesterday, you are a member of the APC. That is why I love this party. As my mega leader has said, why problem? But we will overcome it. We will overcome it. There's nowhere you don't have such things. My doors are open. Nobody is perfect. Not even the chairman. Not even the mega leader. None of us here is perfect. We make mistakes every day. So you have a right to correct us and advise us. You are most welcome. If there's where I can assist, I will come in without any prejudice.
Edo Agwebo country salute to everybody wait and that for the event, and come also talk say belle sweet and wella for the role where Honorable Pius Alile play to bring them back to the party, and say in they assure the party say where them come so they safe for them. Sake of say Obaseki they give fake promises, and say if them see Edo today, no better road and nothing to show for. A constant talk say they are coming to the party not to add value.
I want to first of all acknowledge and appreciate the role that my friend Pius Alile played in bringing us back to this party. It was not easy because you may be convinced as a leader to jump ship, but to convince your followers to join you is very difficult. We have people who were on appointment. As we are here now, Mr. Digwe, stand up. Mr. Donald, stand up. They were presently special assistant, SA to governor, but they have to abandon the appointment and follow us. Total. And a host of others who were holding several positions that the moment they follow us, the government decided to relieve them of their appointments. So in that regard, I want to thank my friend because he rose to the occasion, assured them, met with them, encouraged them, and they felt safe that where they are coming to certainly will be better from where they are coming from. And so that's why we were able to live with our entire group from Ward 1 to Ward 10. Well, I don't want to dwell much on the government of Obaseki. We are all living witnesses to failed promises. We are living witnesses to bad roads. We are living witnesses to bad government policies. When the time for campaign comes, we shall speak to our people. We shall speak to the facts. I want to assure everybody that we did not come to this party to come and displace anybody. We have come to add value to this party. We have told all our followers, fuse into the world, let your good works bring you out to the leadership. We come to work, and we are going to work to ensure that in the next election, the difference will be very clear. Many of you know us. You know that we are grassroots mobilizers. We will mobilize the grassroots. We will work now and day and ensure that we have victory for the party. I want to say here and now that Efe Stewart is the leader that led all of us to this party. We submit to his leadership. We subscribe to his leadership. When we were in PDP, he was our leader. And we work together tirelessly every day. And I'm happy and pleased that in spite of all the effort they made for him not to come with us, he disappointed them by leading us to this party. I want to appreciate you, my leader. Thank you very much.
Honorable Efe Stewart for in talk with our Ateru person talk say na dem start the party as ADC to APC and say in comot from the party sake of wetin happen before, but now he don return home as na APC go take over power for Edo 2024.
You know, say before now, this party now we start them as ACD. We come metamorphose to AC, ACN, and APC. I not just come up for the party. Go like that. Now, because of circumstances, one time when it happened, that make me come out that time. Even as I did that side, inside me, if you take my DNA, I be APC proper. So now sabbatical leave, now this is political sabbatical leave, and I don't finish from there. Now I quietly come back home because I not fit go build house, come become tenant another my house. This is my home, this is my house, and I'm back home. Now here we do, and this are the party. When we say we won't take the seat of power, come 2024, we know they fight. Although people know what they want, they know say waiting they happen for PDP for some time now. You see the fight, the crisis when they don't rock the party, it don't tear the party pieces. When we say, as the party there now, they're not going to fit win any election. Even councillorship election, they're not going to fit win for this state again. So people know what's in the happen. You don't feel deceive anybody again. They know what's in they want. You don't need to be told. Make you by yourself go sample opinion outside. They will let you know what's in they really happen today for Edo. So as I speak with you, they're not going to feel deceive anybody again. APC, now them won't take them to Sadebe. Come 2024. PDP is a failure, completely failure.
Mother of APC National Women Leader Lady Ateru, Honorable Pius Alile, Honorable Crosby Eribu, and other party leaders for their talk with our Ateru person talk say
new members who joined us a couple of days ago. Today at the local government level, we are receiving them and we just issued them our membership card. Is to properly integrate them into the party. Some of them will go to their wards and be integrated.
Okay, as you see, we just welcome all our brothers when we come out. I not think say they come out, then we step aside. So we have welcomed them back. Thank you very much. It's going to be better for all of us. And the next election, now we get them. Thank you.
Because of my daughter and the husband, they have made the national woman leader. That's why I left my brother and come here. My brother is the governor of state. Godwin Obaseki, now my junior brother. It's because of my daughter that they are making a national woman leader. I have to come and meet her. And it's because of Godwin, because of the Godwin, I left APC and follow him to PDP. Since my daughter is made a national woman leader, I have to leave and meet my daughter.
We're very happy today as our brothers can't join us. And because of the bad way Obaseki they rule the state, they don't see and now say Ogbane not Ogbane at all. So dem don realize say APC na party when you need to come. We ready to work this time, and I pray may God help us in Jesus' name.
Some of our brothers and sisters, when you follow Obaseki, comot. When Obaseki carry comot for house, they don't know where Obaseki they carry them, they go. As they enter Obaseki ship, Obaseki begin to paddle, they begin to paddle the canoe. As he bet, they come down, they come and say another community carry them go. So now they come back to house today. Now because they rejoice, say we don't see our missing brothers and sisters. The value now waiting you don't already they see just now. You don't see people wey food down. All those ones, the men when they get wives, the women when they get their husband, get children. If those ones, husband and their children, vote APC, na plus. If the men when they their wife and children, vote APC, na plus. Not to talk of people wey want join them for the area where where they want even join APC talk to for their community, either for village or for anywhere where they forget influence. Now plus, that would they look for our party. And they don't promise us. Say many, they come, and we go welcome them back home. APC now for Edo, the transformation when they Edo to where it reach now, you and I know say na APC government, under the leadership of Comrade Adams Oshomole, now the transformation thing enter Benin and Edo State. You remember before 2007, we get Mami water for teachers' house, not be APC government, can't drive the papi water, Mami water, Commander Oshomole. Before 2007, you know, see say Morocco and Spain, they near Bambimo before Siloko Road. Now APC government do 5 junction. This is a if we dey go meeting for our latest ex-governor, Samuel Gbemudi at that time, we'll go pass through Erosa. You can't access through Lagos Road here. Now APC government leader Oshomole, night one. The canal for Upper Mission, the dualization of Ute Road, then Gully Kunede Gully erosion, then the stormwater project, not the APC government, the Red Rule Revolution for Edo till tomorrow. You don't see purple roof when Obaseki do under PDP. The people don't dey aware say Obaseki na scam, so you can't deceive them. So now just the reassurance, the renewed hope when Mr. President don't start from the federal, now just the renewed hope. Now APC government want give to people of Edo, say we don't first do them before, we go do them again. And we go measure, say our party leaders, then go bring out candidates when everybody go generally accept, so that the vote you know go dey difficult.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Egor local government area of Edo State, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.